everyone. I hope you are doing well. Today we are going to learn about a crucial aspect of technical writing, the 7 C's of communication. These principles guide us in creating reports, proposal, and other technical documents that are professional, clear, and effective. By the end of this lecture, you will understand each C and will be able to apply them to improve your technical writing. Technical writing is different from casual or general writing. In technical reports, our goal is to communicate information accurately and effectively so that the reader can understand, analyze, and make decisions based on the data provided. To achieve this, we follow the 7 C's of communication, which are clarity, conciseness, correctness, completeness, concreteness, courtesy, and consideration. These 7 principles act like a checklist. If you apply them, your report will be professional, understandable, and actionable. Today, we will go through each C in detail and I'll show you examples of how they can applied in technical writing. So the first C is clarity. This means your message should be easy to understand and free of ambiguity. In technical reports, clarity ensures that your reader doesn't misinterpret your data or instructions. To achieve clarity, here are some tips which you can follow. Use simple, precise language. Avoid overly complicated words unless it's necessary. Break down long sentences into smaller, digestible ones. Use headings, subheadings, and bullet points to structure your content logically. Here is an example. The first sentence says, the utilization of the apparatus was suboptimal. The second sentence is, the device was not used effectively. Notice how the second sentence is straightforward, easy to read, and conveys the exact meaning without ambiguity. The second C is conciseness. This refers to communicating your message in as few words as possible without losing meaning. Long-winded paragraphs, repetition, and unnecessary words can confuse the reader and make your report less effective. Tips for conciseness include remove redundant words and phrases, use bullet points or numbered list where appropriate. Focus only on essential information. Let's look at an example which says, the first sentence is, we are in need of an employee who can perform the duties of the job in an efficient manner. The second sentence says, we need an employee who can perform the job efficiently. As you can see, conciseness is especially important in technical reports because busy readers need to understand key information quickly. The third C is correctness. This means that your writing should be free from errors. These errors could be grammatical, spelling, and factual. In technical writing, Even a small error can lead to misunderstandings or misinterpretation of data, which can have serious consequences. Now, the question arises, how to ensure correctness? You need to proofread your work carefully before submission. Verify all data, units, and references. Check your grammar, punctuation, and spelling. Let's look at an example. There is 3 candidates for the post. The second example is like the second sentence says there are 3 candidates for the post. As you can see, the first sentence contains a spelling mistake. As you can see or notice the difference, correctness ensures professionalism and credibility. The fourth C is completeness. A complete message provides all the necessary information the reader needs to understand and act without needing to ask follow-up questions. In technical reports, completeness ensures that the document contains first, clear objective and purpose, detailed methodology or procedures, accurate results or data, conclusion and recommendation. Let's look at an example. Submit the report soon. The second sentence says, submit the report by Friday 5 p.m. through email. Completeness in technical report is essential because it reduces ambiguity, errors, and delays in communication. The fourth C is concreteness. Concreteness means using specific facts, data, and examples rather than vague or abstract statements. In technical reports, being concrete makes your writing credible and actionable. It also helps your reader understand exactly what happened and what is expected. Here are some tips for concreteness. You need to use numbers, dates, and specific details. Avoid general statements like improved or significant without data. Let's see an example. Sales increased significantly, while the second sentence says sales increased by 12% in Q3 2025. As you can see in the second example, this provides a more concrete information about the sales. Notice that adding specific figures make your report more informative and trustworthy. The sixth C is courtesy. In technical writing, courtesy refers to maintaining a professional and polite tone. You should avoid language that is blaming, rude, or insensitive. Being courteous builds positive relationship and ensure your message is received well. Here are some tips for courtesy. First is use natural professional language. Avoid phrases that place blame. Respect cultural difference and sensitivity. Here is an example. You failed to submit the report. The second sentence says that the report was not submitted on time. Please review the submission guidelines. Notice how the second sentence communicates the issue without blaming the reader and remains professional. The seventh and the final C is consideration. This means writing with the reader's perspective in mind. Ask yourself, what does the reader need to know? How can I make it easy for them to understand? In technical reports, consideration can be shown by using summaries, headings, and visuals to guide the reader, highlighting actionable points, focusing on readers' goals and interest. Here is an example which says, I need this report for my meeting. The second sentence says that your report will help us present accurate data at tomorrow's meeting. By framing the message from the reader's perspective, the report becomes more effective and reader friendly. Let's quickly summarize the 7 C's and how they apply to technical report writing. As you can see, clarity, its key point is easy to understand. The second is conciseness, which is to short and to the point. Next is correctness, which is accurate or error free. Completeness means all information are included. Concreteness means specific and factual information. Courtesy means to be polite and professional. Consideration means your report should be reader focused. This table can act as a checklist when you write your technical reports. Before submitting, quickly ask yourself, have I applied the 7 C's? In conclusion, the 7 C's of communication, clarity, conciseness, correctness, completeness, concreteness, courtesy, and consideration are essential for effective technical report writing. Applying these principles ensure that your report are clear and understandable, professional and credible, complete and actionable. Remember, technical writing is not just about putting information on paper. It's about communicating information in a way that helps your reader make decisions effectively and accurately. If you apply these 7 C's consistently, your technical report will be of high quality and impactful. This was about today's lecture. Hope to see you in the next class.